Good afternoon. Welcome to the Northwest Florida Water Management District. I call to order the opening of invitation to bid 20B-009 for Williford Springs step repairs and improvements. Our first bid is from Michael L. Anderson from Lynn Haven, Florida. With a total bid amount of $89,850. Our second bid is from Inland Construction and Engineering Incorporated out of Panama City, Florida. Total bid amount of $282,833. Our next bid is from Hall Contracting and Construction Incorporated out of Chipley, Florida. Total bid amount of $266,512. Next bid is from RS General Contractors out of Tallahassee, maybe Eris. Total bid amount $81,800. Bid is from Live Flyer Incorporated out of Ormond Beach, Florida. Total bid amount of $118,166. Next bid is from DPS Corporation out of Dade City, Florida. Total bid amount is $67,310. With that being the last bid received, this meeting is adjourned. Thank you for watching.